안녕하세요 everyone. Today I will be giving you the recipe for 닭볶음탕, which is a traditional Korean spicy chicken soup. So traditionally this recipe calls for a whole chicken to be used with thighs, legs, etc. Personally, I am a fan of white meat, so I will be using 3 chicken breasts today. Putting the heat on medium, we're going to begin to cook our chicken halfway through. Me personally, I like this step. I like to add some sugar, a pinch or so of sugar, and the reason we're doing this is just so that it can absorb the flavor and the spices that we add later on. As the chicken comes to a simmer, we're going to begin scooping out all of the gunk and impurities that we find, just so we can have a cleaner batch to work with when we do add some of the vegetables and spices later. Just remember that the final 2 ingredients that we cut up, the green onions and the garlic, they will actually be added at the very end of the dish. Adding gochujang, the Korean spicy chili paste, is definitely optional. I am a big fan of spicy food, so I'll be adding it, and if you're not, I'd skip it.